Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal and today I am going to review the Pond's White Beauty Mineral Clay Mask, and this is just a sachet. Pond's elevates its deep cleansing to a new level with a mineral clay cleansing mask. It says here it's a 10-minute treatment and it's supposed to transform your dull skin to bright skin. I actually just finished washing my face, so I'm just going to apply this and see what result we're gonna get, and I'm just gonna apply this with my finger. So this one, actually it looks like this, and this is a sachet, and I'm not sure if it has a full size or if it comes in a squeezy tube bottle. I'm not really sure, but it has 8 grams inside, so we're gonna see. I have been loving clay masks. I've tried so many brands, and I'm supposed to look something like this, and so I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. I'm not really sure how many uses you can get from this. So hopefully you can use this twice. So that's the product, and it feels like, you know, the typical clay mask, kind of thick. Ooh, it smells really good. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me so much of their facial creams, like their face lotions, especially those White Beauty products that from that line. It smells exactly the same. Yeah, I'm very aware of this scent. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this. Normally I apply my mask with a brush, but for this one it's okay. Like, we're gonna make use of what we have right now. So I'm just going to apply this with my finger. It's actually very easy to blend. I've tried so many clay masks before that blend super hard. So this one is just very easy to blend. Actually, I'm gonna get a brush because it's getting messy right now. Okay, so I finally got my brush, and this is from Real Techniques. It's just their foundation brush from the Core collection. So I'm just gonna use this brush because it's actually really perfect. It's flat and it's really dense, so it's going to pack this in my skin. So so yeah, I'm just gonna apply the rest of the clay mask with the brush. Oh yeah, that's definitely 10 times easier. It's always nice to invest on a brush, and actually not all brushes are expensive when it comes to face masks like this. You can get a cheaper brush that is flat, something like this, like a foundation brush, but more smaller, because it's just perfect to apply your mask with this. If you love using face masks like this, like a clay mask, then you really need a brush like this. Well, you don't really need it, but if you want to make your life like 10 times better while you're applying your clay mask, then get something like this. The mask that I used to use is the Mint Julep clay mask. It's not clay mask, but that one was so famous, and I actually really like that mask. So I'm just going to apply this, and I want to make this look perfect, just like this. I don't want to apply this super messily, so I'm just gonna go around the eyes. And actually a brush is perfect because it really gets in your pores. So just getting some more of that. There's still actually a lot left in the sachet, so we're gonna see if we're gonna use the entire sachet or just half of it. I've been using products from Pond's since I was 12, and this is actually one of my favorite skincare brands ever. And whenever Pond's come out with something new, I just always want to try it because I know that their products are always superior quality, and they always come out with products that are really good. And the only thing I wish they will create very soon is something that is not related to whitening, because I'm not really into whitening products, and I just love moisturizers and like serums without the whitening effect, because most of them are just temporary for me. Most of them just leaves a white cast on my face, which I don't like. And I don't know, like, it's just, whitening products are just so famous here, and I'm not really a big fan. Okay, so it's currently 11:37, so I will be back after 10 minutes and I'll let you guys know how my skin feels after 10 minutes. So right now it's been, I think, 3 minutes since this has been on my face. I don't really mind leaving it for a bit longer because I actually wanted to dry a little bit more. So this is how it looks like, and it doesn't crack, which is great. But after 3 minutes, it feels like it's already 70% dry. And I think it's going to dry fast. It says on the packaging that it doesn't dry completely, but right now it feels like it's almost completely dry. So I hate clay masks, or any masks in general, that really flakes up and just falls everywhere. I think that it's so messy. That is exactly why I love clay masks. It's because they don't really chip, they don't fall. Even though it cracks on your skin, it just stays put. Yeah, so I love clay masks. I really hate those peel off masks because they just hurt so much. It just pulls all of your baby hairs on your face, and you don't want that. So this one, you can either use a wet towel and wipe this off, or rinse off with lukewarm water. So that's usually how I do it. So I've been taking really good care of my skin. I have a very gentle skincare routine. I try to use less products as much as possible, but if you guys want an updated skincare routine, I'll definitely do it for you guys. But right now I don't really use a lot of skincare products. Like, I really focus on just cleansing my face, removing my makeup, and at the end of the day, I just want to make sure that my face is completely clean, like 101%. So I usually invest on cleansers, makeup removers. Those are my favorite skincare products. I've seen the ad for this product so many times in my videos, and actually the model for this one is actually really pretty. And you guys should watch out for the commercial, because I think that the commercial is very catchy, and the effects and especially the jingle and the song that they use for the commercial is very catchy. So yeah, I just wanted to put it out there. I love the commercial. So it's 1 more minute before I can wash this off. I'll just go out and wash this off, and then I'll be back with a clean face. Okay, so I'm back. So my skin feels super clean right now, and I don't have anything on my face. And okay, it feels normal. Do you see any effect? What?
It's more fresh, like baby skin.
Really? Like, my skin definitely feels super clean. Of course, I just wash my face with water. And you know what's good about this mask is that it's so easy to rinse off with water. There are so many clay masks that I've tried before that you need to melt it with water. Can I? This is the first time that I tried a clay mask that's just so very easy to wash away with water. So I didn't use any cleanser. I just used water. I didn't even use a towel, and it just came right off. It's just very easy to melt. And actually, it says on the packaging it's for 2 uses. I didn't see this earlier. So yeah, it's true. I think that with what's left in the sachet, I can still use this for another time. And yeah, I think my skin looks slightly brighter. It doesn't look that different from before I apply this. Of course, you won't see a big difference right away, but I think with continuous use you will see a difference. So when I apply this while waiting for this to dry, I was hoping that it won't leave any like whitening residue on my face like other face creams do. I've tried a lot of whitening creams, and most of them just leave like a white film on my skin, and I hate that. Yeah, it's not a drying formula, but I'm not sure what active ingredient is in here, but it has bentonite, and that is actually famous for a lot of clay masks. Water, of course, titanium dioxide, it has glycol, glycerin, and I see that in almost all skincare products. I definitely see bentonite, glycerin, and what else? It has Moroccan lava clay, squalane. I always see that. It also has aloe leaf juice. It has a lot of ingredients that I've seen in a lot of other clay masks. My skin definitely looks really clean right now. I love that it didn't dry out my skin. Skin actually feels so comfortable. I definitely feel like I did deep cleansing. So my forehead area definitely looks a lot lighter than it usually is. I think that this clay mask is actually a really good product. It's only 32 pesos. If you're going to a special event the next day or even the same day before you do your makeup, it's nice to just pamper your skin and make yourself feel good somehow. This is going to help you clean your skin and just make you feel more beautiful and prep your skin before you do your makeup. Like I said, it helps prep your skin when you do your makeup, if you have a special day, or even if you're going out on a date. I think that it's nice to pamper your skin. Trust me, there was a month when I used masks constantly and my skin definitely looked younger and my skin just looked brighter. So I recommend testing out different clay masks, and this is going to be one of the good ones that I've tried. So again, this is the Pond's White Beauty Mineral Clay Mask. And if you have dull skin and you want to make it look brighter, then go ahead and check this out. I think it's a really good mask. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye!